is our real position. Everyone. একলা ঈশ্বর কৃষ্ণ আর সব ভৃত্য, যারে জইছে নাচায় সে তৈছে করে নৃত্য। According to the direction of Krishna, we are dancing in different activities. Sarvasya chahang ridisannivishta matta smriti jnanam apohanam. Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. I wanted to do something, desire. Krishna reminds me, now here is the opportunity, I give you opportunity, now you can do it. Matta smriti jnanam apohanam. So if you want to forget Krishna, Krishna will give you such intelligence that you will forget him. And if you want to serve Krishna, Krishna will give you such intelligence, I will be able to serve Krishna. Tesam satadujuktanang bhajatang priti purvang buddhi yogam dadami jena maham upajan. So it is up to you whether you want to forget Krishna or you want to serve Krishna. If you want to serve Krishna, Krishna will give you intelligence, how you can elevate yourself by service. And if you want to forget Krishna, Krishna will give you such intelligence that you will forget forever. That is Krishna.
So which times Lord Krishna told us, Mama Atman Vartante, Yatra Nudhari Maya Ishvara Vindana. I want to know why he is so unkind. And he allows to see the people who want to go very, very fast nearly. And he again says, Yatato Yakakamute Purusha Vashchada Hindriyani Pramana. If you have health in nature, everything of the whole is beautiful. So that this Bhagavatman Vartante Manusha Parasavasat, that the Vatma, the way, the road, the wrong road, Lord Krishna should be very easier.
So, Mamo Vatmano Vartante means that just like on the top of, just like there are so many skyscraper buildings in America, 105 stories, I think that is the latest. So suppose you have to go to the topmost flat, there is staircase, so everyone is trying to go there. But someone has passed, say, 10 steps, another has passed, say, 50 steps, another has 100 steps, but you have to complete, say, 2,000 steps. So the staircase is the same, Mamo Vatmano Vartante, because the aim is to go to the topmost flat. But the one who has passed 10 steps, he is lower than one who has passed 50 steps. And the one who has passed 50 steps is lower than who has passed 100 steps. So similarly, there are different processes, but all the processes are not the same. They are aiming at the same goal. Karma, jnana, yoga, bhakti. But bhakti is the highest step. Because when you come to the platform of bhakti, then you can understand what is Krishna. Not by karma, jnana, yoga. That is not possible. You are trying, you are going towards that aim, but Krishna says, Bhaktamam Abhijana. He does not say by jnana, by karma, by yoga. No. That you cannot understand. You can go forward, steps. But if you want to know Krishna, then bhakti. Bhaktamam Abhijanati. Javanjaschami. This is the process. Therefore, Mamo Vatmano Vartante means everyone is trying to come to me according to their capacity, ability. But one who actually wants to understand me, the simple process, just like this, the staircase is there, but not in this country, in European American countries, side by side there is lift, elevator. So instead of going step by step to the highest flat, you take the help of this lift, you go immediately within a second. So if you take the lift of bhakti, then immediately you come in contact with Krishna directly. Instead of going by step by step by step. Why should you take? Therefore Krishna says, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam. You simply surrender unto me. Your business is finished. Why should you labor so much, step by step by step by step?
Yes. What about the statement, Jnani Twatmaiva me matam?
Yes, that Jnani does not mean Nidbed Brahmanasanda. Jnani, without Jnana, how one can become Bhakta? Because the result of Jnana is to become Brahma-bhuta. So, those who are taking bhakti as sentiment, they may fall down. Svabhakta prakita smritaha. Prakita bhakta means sentiment. But Jnani bhakta, one who becomes a devotee knowing Krishna, what he is very important.
Prabhupada, a question. Who will carry on this movement after you?
Who is asking me? He will do it.
Come up, stand up.
Can I ask my Bhakti Guruji that what is your plan to carry this spiritual movement after you? That is, who would be after Bhaktivedanta Prabhu? Keep this banner of keep this banner up and up.
That is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. Imam vivasate jovang praptavan aham abhayam vivasan manavipraho manuikha kavibravi. First of all, Krishna spoke this Krishna consciousness, science, to the sun god. And the sun god, Vivashan, explained it to his son, Manu. And Manu explained to his son, Ikhaku. Evang parampara praptam imang rajasaya vidu. So, this science is understood by the parampara disciplic succession. So, as we have understood by the parampara system from my Guru Maharaj, so any of my students will understand, he will keep it running on. This is the process. It is not a new thing, it is the old thing. Simply, we have to distribute it properly as we have heard from our predecessor, Acharya. Therefore, in the Bhagavad Gita it is recommended, Acharya Upasana. One must approach Acharya. Acharyavan Purusha Veda. Simply by speculating, by so-called scholarship, it is not possible. It is not possible. One must approach the Acharya. So, the Acharya is coming by parampara system, disciplic succession. Therefore Krishna recommends, tad vidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya. One should approach the Acharya and try to understand by pranipa, surrender. This whole thing is depending on surrender. Jijathamang prapadvan. The surrender process, the proportion of surrender is the means of understanding Krishna. If we are fully surrendered, then we can understand fully Krishna. If you are partially surrendered, then you understand Krishna partially. So, jijathamang prapadvan. It is the proportion of surrender. The one who has surrendered fully, he can understand this philosophy and he can preach us by the grace of Krishna. What is that?
one more question. Do you agree that this Krishna consciousness is an improvement over this whole Hinduism?
Yeah, this is the only solution of all problems. This is the only solution.